Hey, good afternoon, second graders. On Thursday, October the 29th, we are ready for math. Okay, here's your math sheet today. Okay, it is 100 less or 100 more. Okay, the important thing to remember is the number in the middle. The number in the middle, you always go off of that number. So over on this side it says 100 less. So if I label that number, I have 4 hundreds, I have 110, and I have 2 ones. Well, I'm working with hundreds, just with hundreds, and I want it to be less. Less means it's smaller. Less means it's smaller, okay? So less means it's going to go down, more it's going to go up. Less the number is going to go down. Well, I'm only working with the hundreds, so my tens and my ones do not change. I only change my hundreds, and it goes down by one number. It goes down by one number, because that would be taking 100 away, okay? So I have 412. I have 4 hundreds. I just want to take one away. I'm going to take 100 away. That leaves me with 312. Okay? All I did was take 100 away. Now I've got to do 100 more. I'm going to look right back at this middle number. I'm going to look right back at this middle number. Okay? I want 100 more. I'm not changing my tens. I'm not changing my ones. I'm just changing my hundreds. And it's more. So it means it has to go up. The hundreds number has to go up by 1. It goes up by 1 because I'm adding 100 to it. I'm adding 100 to it. So it becomes 512. Okay? Well, let's look at the next one. My next number is 364. Well, I'm going to label it so I know what my hundreds are. I have 3 hundreds there. I want it to be less, 100 less. I'm not changing my ones. I'm not changing my tens. I'm only changing my hundreds. And if it's less, it's going to go down by one number. So my 300 is going to be a 200 because I'm taking 100 away. So it's going to be 264. Okay. On the other side of it's 100 more. Now I want 100 more. Well, I have 364. I'm not changing my ones. I'm not changing my tens. I'm only changing my hundreds. My hundreds are going up, up by 1, up by 1. So my 3 is becoming a 4. So I have 464. Okay? So I want you to try to figure out the rest of those. We're only changing hundreds. Your tens and your ones should be the same number that they are right here. Your hundreds is changing. If it's less, it goes down by 1. If it's more, it goes up by 1. Okay? And that is your math. I'll be back in just a little bit to talk about another explorer.